Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a press release backlink. So the website name is freepressreleasedb.com. You can see the website name is freepressreleasedb.com. So this website is also the free, so you guys can publish your press release on this site. So this is the website dashboard. So before that we can start, so we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 52, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 33, and the spam score is 10%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing a 6.9k total visitors, and the mostly traffic from USA, Colombia, Vietnam, and the Switzerland and Finland. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, brand awareness, backlink, traffic source from that kind of countries, so must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay. So we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you guys can see this is website dashboard, and you can see in the menu section there is a register button. You can click over there. There you guys will create your profile. So there you guys can add your first name. So then you guys can add your username. You guys can choose your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password. You guys can verify your captcha and you can click to submit to register button. Please enter a valid password. Okay, so I have used auto suggested password. So you can see there is pop-up message. You can start add your business listing by using email address and the password. Okay, simply you guys can log in this website, and after that you can see there is an interface. So free press release, and you guys will update your profile as well from there. So there you guys can add your all the details. So there you guys can add your company name, and your address is, city is Mintonka, state is Minnesota, country is United States. There we can add our contact number. So this is our company contact number. Let me add it over there, and all the things we have added. So now the time is to, you can click on the submit profile update button, and add more business listing. Click here. This is a not clickable, so I guess they not started this services yet. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So after that, once you complete your profile, what you guys can do, so you can see in the menu section there is a submit press release button. You can click over there, and if you guys are having your press release contest, so you can start uploading over there. So right now I don't have any press release content. So what I can do, so I can copy these content and I can ask for the chat GPT. I can provide you with blog content. You have to generate press press release content, and my company name Jobma, founded in 2012, and founder is Mandeep Singh Sodhi. So the founder is Mandeep Singh Sodhi. So we can add these kind of details, and let me what ChatGPT will provide. Jobma is a leading Gen Z generation. So Jobma unveils innovation employee branding strategy to attract Gen Z talent. So this is the title. This is the PR title. So I can edit this title, add this title over there, and give me the short summary about Jobma. Give me short summary. Let me check. Yeah, this is perfect. So I can add a short summary, press release short summary. So keep to short. Keep to short under 250 characters. This is 250 characters. I might be not. Generate under 250 characters. 250. So this is a short summary. I can add over there, and now the time is you guys can add your proper press release content. So we have added the details. Recruitment, control key. Can we add? Yeah, we can add URLs as well. So grow generation chat workforce. So this is the main article, so where we can get backlink. So you guys can simply click if you wanting to add insert a hyperlink. So you can select your keyword and you can press Control plus K, and you guys are able to create a backlink, ID, style, and the insert if you wanting. So you can make it bold, and after that what we can do next. One-way video interview, predetermined questions. One-way video interview software is this, and there we can add our details. So in the phone number section, where we can add a company phone number, there we can add email addresses, sales team email addresses, media contact, Rav Yadav, and Is there anything if missing? So group interview is I wanted to insert a hyperlink on this keyword because this is a very high related targeted keyword, valuable keyword for me. So I can insert a hyperlink on this keyword. One video interviewing, copy link addresses, and I can type it, control key, and you can paste it. You can click on insert button, and after that, once you guys can complete all the things, press release keywords. Give me keywords Gen Z recruitment and employer branding, talent attraction, diversity and inclusion, professional development, social media hiring, and the last is job mark. You guys can also consider your company details. So category is software. Other country is United States. And what we can add next, so there you guys can add your website URL, and in the website 2 section where you guys can add your blog, and you can convert into a publish, save as a draft or publish, and there we have added all the details. So once you guys can complete all the things, so you guys can verify once, and after that, after you guys will verify your all the details, then you guys can then you guys can click on submit button, and you guys can see your press release would be reviewed in 40 hours and published on the release date. So you can see we have submitted our successfully press release content, backlink, whatever you can call, on this site, and they on this site moderator team will review your press release, and if everything is going perfect, they will going to publish your press release on this site. So this is a process for the press release submitting on this site. If you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on comments on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.